Here we have a 1996 Sea Ray 210 bow rider. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Trailer's been completely redone. New brakes, lights, bearings, tires. There's a couple dings on this fender. The other one looks fantastic. I'll take you around and show you there. The boat is absolutely beautiful. They redid the whole thing. Nice looking out drive. It's got a Mercruiser 5.7 in it. All new interior covers. It's got camper canvas, bimini, cockpit cover. The seats are gorgeous. All redone. 184 original hours on the boat. Rated for 8 passengers. And there's the hour meter there. Tilt steering. Lots of room in the bow. It's real wide. See how nice the seats are. Really nice boat. Stop in at SkipperBud's in Antioch to see this one.